think it's really important to make sure that the data that are being used to provide the kind of options and analysis reflect truly what is the diversity of Canada. So you have to make sure that the data are disaggregated. You have to make sure that they're of good quality, so they have underlying basis of representativeness, that they're unbiased, that they are of such a quality that the timeliness and the precision are actually appropriate for the use that is being sought. And thirdly, that they reflect the integrated complexities of our society today.
So one of the things you could do to help is work with Statistics Canada, because under the Stats Act, there's some considerations around data aggregations, data linkages, and you could do that to really build some of the evidence you need. And then in terms of really having timely data, you could work within your department to see how you can better collect program data to support that results reporting, evidence-based decision making. And you can work across the ecosystem. Like, for example, if you're working in service policy, it would be a good thing for you to connect with other stakeholders that work with service. And you can also work with community groups to capture this data and better, help you shape the policy or the stories that you're trying to tell with data.
But also within the department, it's building the capacity and the data literacy within our teams to have the sophistication to take data, transform it into something that can be used as evidence in policy making.
One of the most important things we can be doing is really think systematically about our evidence support systems. So, in previous years, there was a lot of talk about one type of data or evidence, whether it was behavioral insights, whether it was data analytics or modeling or evaluation, but we actually need all of these things, and we need it in an integrative way.
I think sometimes when we talk about data and evidence, we talk a lot about having a rigorous approach and an appropriate sample size and all the very technical aspects, and we forget that one of the biggest and most important points of having data is to communicate it.